Ever wondered why some people have flawless skin while others struggle with various skin issues? Today we delve into the fascinating world of skin health, a topic often overlooked yet incredibly important for not only our appearance but our overall well-being. Our skin, the body's largest organ, serves as our first line of defense against the world around us. It protects us from harmful bacteria, regulates our body temperature, and even contributes to our sensory perception. But it's not just about being our protective shield. Healthy skin can boost our confidence, making us feel good about ourselves. Remember, maintaining skin health is not merely a vanity project. It's about ensuring that this vital organ functions optimally, contributing to our overall health and well-being. So, wouldn't you like to know some secrets to maintaining healthy skin? Well, you're in luck because that's exactly what we're going to discuss. Stay tuned! First and foremost, hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. The importance of hydration cannot be overstated when it comes to maintaining a healthy, radiant complexion. You see, water is the elixir of life, not just for your body but for your skin too. It acts as a natural detoxifier, aiding in flushing out toxins and keeping your skin cells plump and vibrant. But hydrating your skin isn't just about drinking 8 glasses of water a day. Oh no, it extends beyond that. It's about ensuring your skin gets its dose of moisture externally too. This is where hydrating creams, serums and masks come in. These products work by locking in moisture, preventing it from escaping and leaving your skin dry and dull. So, let's make it a habit, shall we? Quench your thirst, and while you're at it, quench your skin's thirst too. Remember, when it comes to skin health, hydration is king. Next up, let's talk diet. They say, you are what you eat, and that couldn't be more true when it comes to your skin. The food we consume plays a pivotal role in how our skin looks and feels. Now imagine your skin as a mirror, reflecting your dietary habits. Feasting on foods rich in antioxidants, such as berries, spinach and nuts, can help combat skin damage caused by free radicals. These free radicals are like tiny wrecking balls, causing havoc on your skin cells. Next, let's not forget the importance of omega-3 fatty acids. Found in abundance in fatty fish and flax seeds, these essential nutrients help keep your skin supple and moisturized. And of course, vitamins. Vitamins, especially A, C and E, contribute immensely to skin health. They help in repairing damaged skin cells, boosting collagen production and preventing premature aging. Remember, a healthy diet equals healthy skin. So, eat your way to healthier skin. Don't underestimate the power of the sun. Indeed, the sun, in all its brilliance, can be our skin's best friend or its worst enemy. Our skin thrives on the sun's vitamin D, but the harmful ultraviolet radiation, that we could do without. Let's take a moment to ponder upon UV radiation. It can cause premature aging, wrinkles, and even skin cancer. It's not a pretty sight, is it? But fear not, there's a knight in shining armor, and its name is sunscreen. Sunscreen is not just for those beach days, it's an everyday essential. It forms a shield, a protective layer, preventing the harmful UV rays from penetrating our skin. And remember, even on a cloudy day, up to 80% of the sun's UV rays can still reach us. So whether rain or shine, slather on that sunscreen. Make it a habit, a ritual. Your skin, your largest organ, deserves this protection. So protect your skin, and it will surely thank you. Get moving for better skin. We're about to delve into the wonders of regular exercise, and trust me, your skin will thank you for it. It's not just about toning muscles or shedding those pesky extra pounds. Exercise plays a crucial role in maintaining a radiant complexion. When we engage in physical activity, our heart rate increases. This boost in circulation sends a rush of oxygen and nutrients throughout the body, including our skin. This process is like a mini detox, flushing out cellular debris and free radicals that could potentially damage our skin. Add to this the sweat. Yes, the sweat. It might not be the most glamorous part of your workout, but it's a natural cleansing process. Sweating opens up the pores and expels trapped dirt and oil. Just remember to wash your face after exercising to prevent these toxins from reabsorbing. So don't underestimate the power of a good workout. It's an all-natural way to keep your skin looking its best. So, sweat it out for glowing skin? Sleep, the underrated beauty secret. Ah, the enchanting world of dreams where the body rejuvenates and the skin gets its well-deserved rest. The significance of adequate sleep for maintaining skin health is often overlooked, but let's not make that mistake. When we sleep, our bodies go into repair mode, fixing the day's wear and tear. This includes the skin, our body's largest organ. Sleep deprivation, on the other hand, leads to an increase in the stress hormone, cortisol. Elevated cortisol levels can result in inflammation, causing various skin problems such as acne, eczema, and even psoriasis. Ever notice those stubborn dark circles after a night of tossing and turning? That's your skin begging for rest. Lack of sleep can lead to poor water balance, resulting in puffy bags under your eyes and dryness. Moreover, it can cause your skin to look dull and lifeless as the natural glow fades. So, catch those Z's for radiant skin. Cleanse but don't overdo it. The sweet science of skin cleansing. It's all about balance. You see, our skin is a complex organ, constantly battling dirt, pollution and excess oil. Regular cleansing helps to keep these foes at bay, ensuring that our skin remains clean, radiant and healthy. But here's the catch. Overcleaning can be just as harmful as not cleaning at all. Yes, you heard that right. Overdoing it can strip your skin of its natural oils, leading to dryness, irritation, and even breakouts. It's like taking a sledgehammer to crack a nut. It's overkill and it's unnecessary. So, how often should you cleanse? Well, it's all about listening to your skin. Some people might need to cleanse twice a day, while others might do just fine with once. The key is to pay attention to how your skin reacts and adjust accordingly. Remember, healthy skin is not achieved by chance but by routine. So, cleanse wisely for happy skin, scrub away for fresh skin. Imagine a layer of dust and grime just sitting on a beautiful piece of mahogany. It's not very appealing, is it? Well, that's what dead skin cells do to your face. They mask your skin's true radiance. But there's a solution: exfoliation. Exfoliation is the process of gently scrubbing away these pesky, dead skin cells. It's like dusting that mahogany, revealing its true, beautiful shine. Exfoliation not only removes dead skin cells, but also unclogs pores, preventing acne and breakouts. But that's not all. When you exfoliate, you're also promoting cell regeneration. You're basically encouraging your skin to create new healthy cells to replace the old ones. It's like giving your skin a fresh start. So, think of exfoliation as your skin's rejuvenation process. It's an essential step in maintaining healthy, glowing skin. And remember, just like any good thing, moderation is key. Over-exfoliating can lead to dryness and irritation, so exfoliate regularly for smooth and fresh skin. Your habits reflect on your skin. A profound truth, wouldn't you agree? Let's delve into the impact of smoking, alcohol, and stress on our skin's health. Starting with smoking, it's no secret that this habit is a foe to your skin. It introduces toxins into your body that accelerate aging, causing wrinkles and a dull complexion. Similarly, excessive alcohol consumption can leave your skin dehydrated, leading to dryness and inflammation. Then there's stress, the silent skin saboteur. Chronic stress triggers an overproduction of cortisol, a hormone that can lead to skin issues like acne and psoriasis. Not to mention, it can rob your skin of its natural glow and vitality. Now, the good news is, it's never too late to change these habits. Quit smoking, moderate your alcohol intake, and find ways to manage stress. Practice yoga, meditate, or simply take a walk in nature. All these steps can help you maintain a healthy, glowing skin. So, adopt healthy habits and let your skin shine. And lastly, don't shy away from seeking professional help. It's a common misconception that a dermatologist is only for severe skin conditions or cosmetic procedures. In reality, they are the experts in all things skin-related and can provide invaluable advice for maintaining your skin's health. Just as you schedule regular checkups with your general practitioner, it's wise to do the same for your skin. Regular skin checkups can help identify any potential issues early on, making them easier to treat. If you're struggling with persistent skin issues, be it acne, dry skin, or an unexplained rash, a dermatologist can provide a diagnosis and a tailored treatment plan. They can also guide you on the most effective skincare products and routines for your specific skin type, saving you from the trial and error of self-diagnosis. Remember, your skin is your body's largest organ and deserves the same level of care and attention as the rest of your body. So, trust the experts and give your skin the care it deserves. And there you have it, 9 tips for maintaining healthy skin. Let's take a moment to recap. Hydrate your skin from the inside out, eat a balanced diet rich in antioxidants, protect your skin from harmful sun rays, and engage in regular exercise. Prioritize getting enough sleep, cleanse your skin regularly, and don't forget to exfoliate. Adopt healthy habits that promote skin health, and don't hesitate to seek professional help when needed. These tips are not standalone solutions, but part of a holistic approach to skin health. Each one is a cog in the larger machine that is your skincare routine. They are intertwined and work best when implemented together. Remember, your skin is a reflection of your overall health, so take care of it and it will surely reward you with a radiant glow. Until next time, stay healthy and keep glowing.